Hello everybody and welcome back to another FX Setup video update. My name is Damir Galch from good old Germany and welcome back to my central bank FX setup for tomorrow or over next tomorrow, even for this week. I want to give you shortly an overview my personal market commentary for forex traders, even for the euro dollar for the next 24 hours, 48 hours, even for this week. So let's break it down and get started. Okay, here we go. Euro dollar 15-minute charts, even in setup into the FOMC meeting for tomorrow, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday. On Thursday we will have the ECB Press Conference, so it will surely be an volatile market. However, how to trade euro dollar before I want to give you a trading capability. Let's create in shortly technical analysis, even 15-minute chart, the bigger picture. I showed you, I tweeted you even daily time frame yesterday and last days. So I want to give you here throughout this week how to trade euro dollar. Okay, 15-minute chart, euro dollar. The important thing in the last 2 weeks are following stuff. Here we see, if you want this triangle, this falling down recovery, here this triangle, and here this upside trend. These two upside trends, in my opinion, the important one, low 24th April were by 129.53. It was the low of last week before. The low was last week, were by 129.90. So if you want the lows of last week and last week before, both under 130. So, and if you want this week, yesterday we've got prices under 130, under 131. So maybe could this be a great setup, even to break 132 and get a reversal in the euro dollar, even for the into May, June and July. However, we will see what will tomorrow came out from the Fed and from the ECB on Thursday, and how the market will react. Here on the time frame, I put here this vertical lines, even yes, while this event will happen. What's much more interesting, or what makes me optimistic to buy euro dollar, so I would prefer the long side euro dollar above 131. So we are trading here at 131.63 right here right now. Prices above 131 I would use, or a little bit lower, as long entries. Why? Here, look at this, guys. Here we've got the moving average weekly and 4 week, and we see here we've got the cross. Weekly crosses the 4 week from top to down, and it was for the next week here even a short entry. And we've got here yesterday the cross here, even from the weekly, crosses the 4 week moving average, and we've got today here on Tuesday trading session here this big upside move. So I don't say that was the key signal, or the, how to say, the key driver, yes, in English, but it works in the last month. So this tactic or strategy, yes, this match plan if you want, or match play. However, the most interesting fact, in my opinion, are still the Cyprus fear, or even Slovenia fear. Slovenia also downgraded to junk. today. So still pressure, but the markets react as a contrarian, and the euro rose. So however, I'm painting here still the gap, as Cyprus theme came out, and the gap is even by a little bit down under 131, exact 130.74 here. Here, this yellow paint. And we see here, even the last days, we've got here this red sell-off here, even in the gap, as before. Here we see in the 1 hourly chart, here the gap, as the Cyprus theme came out in March. We created here the gap. Here, and then we fall down, try to rise up, fall down, and now perhaps also trying to come back. But let's go back to the 50-minute chart here. Yes, here we see we fall here down in the gap, created here 2 oranges. So created here perhaps maybe something support, and then here we've got, as we tried here, came out of this gap, we've got here this honey bull race, if you want. Yes. So all in all, I would prefer the long side. Prices above 131. So even, but I would accepting here throughout Asia that we will come down and prefer the long side. So an important thing, in my opinion, is still here this both upside trends. The trend line, even from the low last week before 129.52, and last week 129.90. So, and this week also 130.56. So all in all, prices above this gap. So exactly 130.74. So 130.75 above. I prefer the long side in euro dollar, and the target should even be the highs of last month, 132.002. So that target we should break, and maybe throughout the FOMC meeting and SZB meeting we will get here and break even above 132, or even falling back in the crisis mode of the euro. But I'm not accepting that, so I would prefer the long side in euro dollar throughout the FOMC meeting and the ECB Press Conference. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks spending your time watching my video. Have a great Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and much better weekend. My name is still Damir Galc from Golo, Germany, and take care, stay aware until the next FX setup video. Bye bye.